so Sean's got the header support placed. He had notched out the right side beam that's not beam. What's that on the right? The support. Is that a 6x6?
Yeah.
So the 6x6 he notched out so he could do the crossboard, which looks like, is that a 2x10?
This one?
Yeah. The girls are outside in their coop, and Peanut Butter, the rooster. They want me to bring treats. I brought them a banana the other night, and they absolutely loved it. So they know when I come out, they're going to get something. So they're... Aren't they adorable? What you doing next? What's your next step?
Next step is to put a 2x4 across the video opposite of this and this side. I don't need anything as strong as this. It's going to be on the inside of the wood, not arched.
Okay.
So let's do it on top of this.
The slide, let's see, the header that was for the barn door openers. Is what Sean's removing right now. You need a tool belt. Whoa! Hello, Miss Robin. Our barn doors blew off in the tornado. Sean's got the header in for the garage door. He's putting up 2x4s here, 27 inches apart, to help support the corrugated metal that's going to fill that empty space all up here. The corrugated metal is 33 inches wide, so that's why we chose 27. So it's a little overlap. So it turns out we only had one usable sheet of corrugated metal, so we had to make another trip to the hardware store to get this stuff. Is really thin and easy to cut, but it's going to be fine for our purposes. And it says on it to not use it as a roof, so it's good for a wall. It's so easy to cut, Sean's just using the tin snips.